The next presentation is from the Humanities Department, it looks like. The department is known for its foundational research in humanities and sciences and its support for integral thinking across all social disciplines. Its members engage interdisciplinary research, learning, aimed at better understanding the world and applying this methodology based on all the laws that we've been talking about today. We are fortunate to have with us Miss Tatiana Ivonukova, I hope I'm saying that right, Ivonukova, from the Humanities Department, who will be presenting the work on Humanities Department's book, Nature, Children Ages 3 to 6. She is an artist, really good artist, I'm told, 40 years of experience, who lives and works in Prague, a member of the Union of Arts of Russia, the International Association of Arts, IAA, AIAP, UNESCO, theater and cinema stage director or designer for more than 100 theater shows in Russia, Czech Republic, and Germany, movie set costume designer for 5 movies, and she's also a writer. She has published 2 books, had personal exhibitions in Frankfurt, Germany, on Main, and Rothenburg. A BA in Fine Arts, a KA from Savitsky College of Penza, Russia. Her book is part of the Humanities Department experimental work in the field of non-formal education as a part of lifelong learning. Her presentation will highlight her book's role in promoting evolutionism, consciousness, worldwide view among children, and its impact on the formation of their values and attitudes. Wow, sounds really, really cool. Please join me in giving a very warm welcome to Ms. Tatiana Ivonukova.
My art name Tatiana Irbis. Ivonukova, I'm in passport.
I'm so sorry.
Ладно, презентацию. А я жду, когда клип покажут. Ладно. Я хочу сказать, что вот идея этого проекта была...
I want to say that the idea of this project was...
So my friend Marketa, she's 10 and the other one is 7 years old. They helped me with the text and they helped me with the drawing. The grandmother of the children also helped. So my first draft was a little bit too straightforward, so she softened the what I wrote and it came out wonderful. What we wanted to achieve is that the parents and children would talk on this subject, but it didn't really turn out that way. We had some technical difficulties, but we plan to publish a book with illustrations, and so we will distribute it to adults and the children. So we will work on that clip. Children of my friends, they started to explain to all their friends how to treat the animals correctly, how to interact with them in a gentle, correct way. And so they came up with the next project. It will be about how to behave in the woods, that you cannot really ignite the fire and leave it there. What to do if you find a little bird or a little animal in the woods. What to do if you encounter sick, wounded animal. So we wrote that scenario. So we're going to continue with that in the next film. How to treat the plants, how to cherish all the flora and fauna. So this is our collective effort. And I'm glad that the next movie is going to be written by somebody else. I'm just going to be a producer of that next movie. Thank you so much.
Moudrý muž řekl, když dosáhneme lásky ke stvořením, naučili jsme se, jak milovat stvořitele. Také řekl, že láska ke stvořením znamená chtít stvoření milovat, nikoli aby ona milovala mě. Jak se chováme k přírodě? Učíme se z maličkostí. Staráme se o to, co je nám drahé, o přírodu. Když uvidíte něco malého, třeba motýla nebo berušku, prosím, nedotýkejte se jich svýma rukama. Hmyz můžete zranit, slomit mu křidélko nebo nožičku. Hmyz poté uhyne. Lepší je nechat ho odletět a radovat se ze sluníčka a nebe. Tento hmyz je součástí přírody, která nás obklopuje a je živý. Narodil se a touží žít. Jednou za život, když nastane léto, narostou mravencům křídla a mohou létat. Vyšplhají se ze svých domečků, protože už se s křídly dovnitř nevejdou. Lezou po zemi a nemohou přijít na to, co se s nimi děje. S křídly vypadají jako mravenčí andělé. Někteří mravenci to pochopí a začnou létat. Někteří jsou zmatení. Mravenci mají v tento den svatbu. Příroda jim jednou za život dá možnost létat a mít děti. Létání je pro ně složité, protože dosud létat neuměli, jen lezli po zemi. Když takový mravenec letí a přistane na vás, nezabíjejte ho, prosím, ale jemně ho setřeste ze své ruky. Když jste u moře, ať už na prázdninách nebo u něj žijete, najít kraby v mělké vodě je hračka. Kraby žijí v rodinách a když jednoho kraba vezmete, zničíte a rozbijete rodinu. Jsou malincí a neumí vám vzdorovat. Když odnesete kraba, třeba v plastikovém sáčku, budete si s ním hrát a pak vás to přestane bavit. Možná by stačilo je jen pozorovat ve vodě a pak se přesunout k něčemu jinému. Co takhle hrát si s míčem? Nebo postavit hrad z písku? Často vidíme v parcích nebo na břehu řek ceduly: nekrmte ptáky chlebem. Nejlepší je ptáky nekrmit vůbec. Měli by si najít potravu ve svém přirozeném prostředí. Samozřejmě, že chléb jim moc chutná, ale na jejich zdraví má špatný vliv. Když se krmí chlebem, deformují se jim klouby, mladým nenarostou správně křídla a ptáci nakonec nemohou létat. Místo pečiva jim raději přineste ovesné bločky, kukuřici, hrách nebo najemno nasekanou mrkev. Své děti moc milujeme. Z lásky k nim je musíme naučit přivyknout si na zákony našeho světa, přírodní zákony. Pokud dítě pochopí, že je nutné chránit životy malých stvoření, ptáků, plazů, hmyzu a jiných, nebude mít touhu zabít živou bytost, až vyroste. Vychovejme z něj dobrého člověka.
We explained that little insects are also alive beings, and everything is so tiny that if you break a leg or any other part of that animal, the animal will die. The crabs in the sea, you don't need to touch them. Just leave them be, because you will break the family this way, the crab's family. So maybe you could engage yourself in different activities, like build a castle from the sand. It's very important to know how you feed the birds with what. Like if you feed them with bread, then they will suffer. And so there was a drawing how to feed birds with what nourishment. So this is the clip. So the conclusion was that if parents will support that kind attitude of children towards alive things, then they won't do that not only when they're children, but when they grow up. Thank you so much. The question, where can I buy the book? Yes, we have this published in a small amount. Please send us the address and we will send it to you. Do you have it in English? We're going to print it and check, and we do have English translation for it. Yes, we will do it in English.
And if you send the address, they will send it to you, the book. Thank you.
Beautiful. So, Ernest, do we have any questions or we continue?